How to fix verification code not received on Android. So if you want to fix the verification code not received on Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, now you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, you can go with see all apps, and here you can go with search, which is on the top right, and you can search for messages. After searching for messages, you need to tap and open the application, and here you will have storage and cache. Tap on storage and cache and then go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go back and you need to go with permissions, and if you're not receiving the verification code, then make sure that you've accessed the SMS. So tap on SMS and make sure that you allow the SMS for the messages, because if you've not allowed the SMS, then you won't receive the verification code. So make sure that you've allowed, and after that, the second step you can do is you need to open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for messages application. After searching, now you need to go with the messages application that you have, and if you have any updates under your messages, you need to go and update the application. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.